Hi everyone! Tonight for supper I'll be making maple bacon Brussels sprouts. What all goes into the maple bacon Brussels sprouts? 1.5 pounds of Brussels sprouts that was trimmed and cut lengthwise in half. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 2 tablespoons maple syrup, and unfortunately I'm all out of the Canadian maple syrup. 3 slices of bacon chopped. 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 425. Put a rimmed baking sheet in the preheated oven for 3 minutes. While the pan is preheating, take your bowl full of Brussels sprouts. Dump in the 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 3 bacon slices chopped, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of fresh ground pepper. And then toss the coat. Be careful of the hot pan. Take your Brussels sprouts, dump them on the pan. Spread them out evenly the best you can. Put them back into the preheated 425-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes, stirring halfway through. So here is the extra charred maple bacon Brussels sprouts. He doesn't like Brussels sprouts anyway, so even if they're too done, it's not going to bother him because he's not going to like it anyway. Rounding out the meal is garlic mashed potatoes and air-fried pork chop. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Are those green prunes?
That is actually extra charred maple bacon Brussels sprouts. So I figured if you don't like them because they were extra charred, wouldn't matter because you don't normally like Brussels sprouts anyway. Well, he hasn't spit it out yet.
No. Are they extra charred by design, or did it just
They're supposed to be charred, but they got a little bit extra charred.
Extra charred. Okay. Well, I'm guessing she mentioned I don't really like cooked Brussels sprouts, but I'm not going to jump over to the good side with these, but that's probably the best version of a cooked Brussels sprout that I've had.
Even being extra charred?
Yeah, the extra charred doesn't seem to be a problem. I haven't ever had these smoked. I've heard people put them on a grill and they say they're really good. I like raw Brussels sprouts. I don't normally like them cooked, but these are not bad. Really not. Probably the best cooked Brussels sprouts that I've had. Say it that way.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.